not everything is about the number on the scale. Yes, we want to see the scale go down. Yes, that is our major goal, is to lose the weight, but we also want to lose the weight in a seamless way. We want to lose the weight in a way where it feels effortless. And so these three major non-scale victories are signs that you're in the right direction for effortless weight loss. For weight loss that feels like the weight just fell off of you, right? That's how I want it to feel, because that's how it felt for me, and that's what I want for you guys. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Diamond, and if you don't know me, I'm Diamond. I lost over 65 pounds with the information that I'm sharing with you, and I'm here to help you lose weight and reclaim your health. So I know I've been gone for a while now and I haven't really been making content. I've been pretty busy with my one-on-one clients and trying to dedicate most of my time to them. But I did want to make a video today to just discuss some of the non-scale victories that you will see happening during your health journey, your weight loss journey, whatever you want to call it. Because, of course, we are doing this journey because we want to lose weight. Of course, we want to feel more comfortable in our bodies. We want to feel more comfortable wearing clothes that we want to wear, of course. But it's not just about the scale, right? It's not just about the number on the scale, because you could be losing anything. You could be losing water. You could be losing like muscle. You could be losing anything. We want to be targeting fat and we want to focus on our health. And so I want to talk about some of the victories that you will see on this journey within the first couple weeks to months, um, that will make a major difference, that are more important than the scale. Now, the reason why I wanted to bring up this topic is because I was having a conversation with one of my clients. She's part of my 1 month coaching program. And she was telling me how, she's been following my meal plan, and she was concerned with the fact that she didn't know if she was even eating enough. So she was feeling full from her meals and she was no longer hungry. After a couple weeks, she was not even hungry when she woke up. She didn't have cravings. She didn't feel the need to snack all the time, right? But her concern was actually, am I eating enough calories? Because I'm feeling full from my meals and I'm not hungry. So what now? What if I'm under eating? And I would consider that to be a non scale victory. One of the biggest non scale victories on this journey is the fact that you're not hungry. You no longer have that addiction to sugar that you had before. Because when she came to me with a major sugar addiction, like major sugar addiction. And while she did see the scale go down, she told me that the major thing that she gained from working with me wasn't even just the scale, but it was the fact that she wasn't as hungry as she was before. And I experienced this the same way as her. Like, I experienced this on my journey as well. When I first started my health journey, I was like baffled by the fact that I wasn't hungry anymore. Like, I literally was not hungry. And that is a major non-scale victory that you will see on your journey, is you're not hungry. Instead of trying to force yourself to eat less and trying to force yourself to moderate how much you're eating and eat in a calorie deficit, you're going to be having to remind yourself to eat. You're going to be having to, make sure that you're actually eating enough, because you're not as focused on food as much. Because you're killing your sugar addiction. You don't need that blood sugar spike every couple of hours. You can go a much longer time without eating. And when you are experiencing that, you will naturally see the scale go down, because you will be losing fat. You'll be targeting fat, and it won't require mental discipline to do so. All it requires is for you to eat the right kinds of foods. So I'm so happy that my client actually experienced this, because this is a major non-scale victory that I want for all of you. Another non-scale victory that you will see on your journey is that you will be able to have a plate of food in front of you and not feel the need to finish all of it. Okay? That is a major thing that I see with a lot of obese people and overweight people that struggle with their weight, is that they feel like they cannot stop eating and that they have to eat all the food that's in front of them. And that's just simply not true. But as you work on your health and you're fasting consistently and you're eating the foods that you should be eating, that humans are supposed to be eating, you won't feel that urge to eat everything in sight anymore, because your body will naturally know when to stop eating, right? A lot of the times when you're eating a bunch of sugar and you're eating a bunch of carbs, your body simply does not know when it's time to stop eating. Or even if it does know, you can't stop yourself. And the biggest non scale victory, aside from the fact that you won't be as hungry all the time, is that you won't feel the need to eat everything in sight all the time. So that is a major thing that you will see happen aside from the scale that will tell you that you're on the right track and that your health is drastically improving. Another sign, this is kind of similar to what I was saying earlier in the first point, another non scale victory that you will see is that you won't be as hungry first thing in the morning. Okay, a lot of the time, people that are struggling with blood sugar issues, diabetes, pre-diabetes, insulin resistance, all of those things, they are so hungry first thing in the morning. The first thing in the morning that you're thinking about is food, right? That is a major sign to know that your body is not in ketosis. If you're so hungry first thing in the morning, which was I was like this too before I started my journey, you're definitely not in ketosis. And so with my coaching, I basically train you to get your body into a state of ketosis. And ketosis, if you don't know what it is, it's a state of fat burning. So you want to teach your body how to burn fat for energy rather than using sugar and carbs. And so when your body's not in ketosis, you're hungry first thing in the morning because it needs that hit of energy, that sugar spike. And then what do most people reach for in the morning? They reach for high sugar and high carb foods that are going to spike that blood sugar, like the oatmeals and the toast and the pancakes and the waffles and the syrup and the cupcakes and the cereal. Did I say cupcakes? I meant waffles, pancakes, things like that. um High sugar, high carb breakfasts. And when you're hungry first thing in the morning, that is a major sign that you are not in optimal health. You are not in a state of fat burning. You are not in ketosis. And so um, a major non-scale victory that you will see on this health journey is that you will not be hungry when you first wake up. It'll take you a couple hours to even get hungry. You might not even eat until maybe 12 or 1 p.m. because number one, your body is used to fasting, and also you're not reliant on a blood sugar spike for your energy. Your energy levels. Your energy levels are very stable because you are monitoring your blood sugar and you are eating foods that you're supposed to be eating, and you're fasting and you're doing everything that your body craves for you to do. And so those are the three major non-scale victories that you will see on your weight loss journey, on your health journey. I really, really hope that you guys found this video helpful and that moving forward, you guys look out for these non-scale victories because, like I said earlier, not everything is about the number on the scale. Yes, we want to see the scale go down. Yes, that is our major goal, is to lose the weight, but we also want to lose the weight in a seamless way. We want to lose the weight in a way where it feels effortless. And so these three major non-scale victories are signs that you're in the right direction for effortless weight loss. For weight loss that feels like the weight just fell off of you, right? That's how I want it to feel because that's how it felt for me and that's what I want for you guys. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.